In this video, we are going to see how we can remove the DuckDuckGo search from Google Chrome. So every time I go to Google Chrome and if I search for anything, it always search in DuckDuckGo, and that's not what we want. So what we can do is just disable this or move back to Google as a default search engine. So just click on the three dots, click on the settings, and on the left hand side we have the search engine special option. Just go ahead and click on that, and you can see that the search engine is set to DuckDuckGo by default. Just click on change and you can change it to Google. Click on set as default, and also you can just disable this completely by searching more. And here we have the DuckDuckGo option. Just click on this and delete. Click on these three dots and delete. Confirm to delete. And that's how we do it. Now if we open this on new Google search, whatever you search will be searched directly in Google search. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.